Grab your love bug because we've got a Smart Shopper deal of the day for Valentine's Day, and it's all about bug love. You heard that right. The Phoenix Zoo is doing a fun twist on the Bugs Big Bugs exhibit. Couples will get to enjoy a romantic dinner accompanied by a unique presentation called Bug Love. They do what? The scandalous sex lives of bugs. Then after dinner, you can enjoy a safari cruiser ride. You get to go to the exhibit. You get a Bug Love gift pack and a complimentary glass of wine so you can stroll on the moonlit trail. It's all happening on Valentine's Day. It's normally $100 per couple, but Smart Shoppers, you have until noon tomorrow to book your tickets online using the promo code ABC15, and you'll only pay $50. We're giving you half off. Now, you do have to be 21 or older because there is alcohol involved, but all the details are on our site, abc15.com/smartshopper. This is what the goodie bag looks like, and we actually had both Kaylee and Nick show some other items we have too. We've got cookies, we've got lollipops with crickets in it. There's all kinds of more fun things in here.
Yeah, that's cool.
I might keep the cookie because I forgot lunch today.
Good, done.
So that's okay, and if I get really hungry, I'll take the cricket sucker as well.
Extra protein.
There you go.
I'll give you mad props for that if you do it. Street cred will go way up, my friend.
I need something.
Yeah, thank you so much, Chelsea. Appreciate it.